Billie u s-siġġu huma t-tliet protagonisti fid-dramm ta' Edward Bond, dramm li jistħarreġ il-futur mill-aktar angoli ordinarji u daqstant ieħor straordinarji.
I shall put in big trees in it. The people are giants, but the trees are bigger than them. So who's with him?
L-ispirazzjoni kienet l-ewwel waħda hija li jiena nammira ħafna x-xogħol ta' Edward Bond. Edward Bond huwa wieħed mill-ikbar kittieba, il-kitba tiegħu hija b'saħħitha ħafna, hija reali ħafna u għalkemm ċer fil-kastana hija bbażata fit-2077 huwa futur li jidher li jista' jseħħ verament mhuwiex Star Trek jew Blade Runner biex ngħidlek, huwa futur li huwa reali ħafna. Huwa futur kważi ta' Auschwitz, huwa futur fej il-bniedem huwa biss prodott.
Show me your drawings. Jump! I can't look out of the window. You never let me look out whenever I want to, so I shan't let you see my drawing. It's a very good one.
Someone might see.
I'll be careful.
And then there'd be trouble.
Don't care. You must! You must! You must! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Oh, you must remember.
I thought I'd seen her. I was wrong.
L-istorja hija dwar Alice li hija mara li għandha madwar 40 sena li qiegħda trabbi tifla ta' madwar 20 sena li għandha l-awtiżmu. Iż-żomma sigrita għaliex jekk l-istat isir jaf biha joħodilha. Però ġurnata minnhom Alice tittawal barra u tara priġuniera u tara soldat u tiddeċiedi li toħdilhom siġġu. Dan iġib miegħu konsegwenzi li ma stenniċ. Iġib il-ħruxija tal-ħajja ta' barra ġoddar li kienet qed tipprova tistken minnha. Allura Billie, it-tifla bl-awtiżmu, tiġi fil-periklu u Alice trid tieħu passi apposta biex tieħu ħsiebha.
You're not allowed to speak to prisoners, nor to look at them, and not allowed to go near.
Li għanna li jidir li jena li huwa interessanti huwa li l-karattru ta' Billie huwa interpretat minn attriċi li verament għandha l-awtiżmu. Allura hija esperjenza pjuttost reali.
Why didn't you go? You never stop. I can't help it. I don't want to be like I am.
Don't spoil your drawing.
Spoiled? For when? Your fault.
Come straight back.
So the process of rehearsal for me always works in two very specific sort of ways. The first part of a rehearsal process for me is about exercises where we don't necessarily tell the actors where to go and what to do. We're exploring the themes of the play or the geography of the play through a series of essentially workshop exercises. So for the first part of rehearsals, we've been working on building the world of the play through exercises. The other part of the process is much more specific, and with Edward Bond's chair, it's a really, really detailed play. So we've been working on a sort of line-by-line basis and being very, very specific about delivery of lines and also the positioning of actors on stage. The play is a challenge to direct because not a single moment goes by where there isn't something important going on. So you will find that you'll rehearse a small block of it and you'll work on a particular detail, but in doing that, you've missed 5 details. So we're constantly having to review each scene, each segment, each line, and mine it for all the detail that is there.
You could go down and ask her if she's met you. I expect she'll tell you.
She hasn't met me.
ċer ħajittella fi spazju kreattiv fil-teatru prinċipali nhar 21, 22, 23, mbagħad 28, 29, 30 ta' April fil-ħinijiet indikati fuq il-website kreattività.org.
If you go, then I'll get lost.
I'll get lost in two little rooms.
I get